Hello and welcome to Rust in Chunks. This is a comprehensive but concise course that is meant to help you to master the core of the Rust programming language without sacrificing any of the important details. And before we get our hands dirty, let us talk about Rust and why it is important and why it is a good choice to make. So first of all, you can get every information you need to know by going to rustlang.org, as you can see here. Now, Rust is a modern next generation systems programming language for building command line interfaces, servers and networked applications, embedded systems, device drivers, and even operating systems. Now, there are quite a few systems programming languages out there, and we can name them C, C++, we have Rust, and we also have Golang. Now, the question is, why will you choose Rust for your project? And I can readily provide a very short answer for you. And it is the fact that Rust avoids a class of problems that leads to security issues. For example, null pointer dereferencing is avoided by design. Race conditions are avoided by design. Buffer overflows are also avoided by designs. These are just a few of the provisions you get out of the box for choosing Rust. And I am not saying this to start any technology war or comparing Rust to any of the other systems programming languages out there. Like I mentioned, the objective here is to teach you within the shortest possible time what you need to know about Rust to be able to use it effectively. So, one other cool feature about Rust is how well documented it is as a programming language. On their site, there are links to everything you need, and there are full-blown books that you can read to learn everything you need. For example, if you want to build embedded devices with Rust, there is a book that is very detailed for you to read to understand everything that is needed. And so apart from what it provides as a programming tool, it is also very well documented. It is quite new, provided by the Mozilla Foundation, but it has a growing community and it is rapidly being adopted as a modern systems programming language. With that said, I believe I have been able to whet your appetite enough, and so let's go on to the next video where we start setting up the tools that we need to be able to develop programs using the Rust programming language. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.